Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. J. Mallikarjun, and I'll be coordinating the Insurance Arbitration Certificate course. I have worked with Reserve Bank of India for close to 25 years, and after that, I took voluntary retirement as General Manager. During my service with Reserve Bank, I was on deputation with IRDA for about three years. I did my fellowship in life and general insurance. Then I did my PhD after LLB and LLM from the National Law School of India, University, Bangalore. And I'm into academics, and this is about me. As far as the course is concerned, what is the necessity of this course? Insurance is the area which has been affected the most in the post COVID 2019 situation. There is an increase in the health insurance claims, business disruption related claims, and life insurance claims. The inability of the insurers to handle these disputes on time result in these disputes being escalated. Courts are already overburdened, because of which they are not in a position to handle these claims promptly. Alternate fora like ombudsman and mediation are having their own limitations. Arbitration is the solution that can be explored. Arbitration is a contractual requirement, and it is an inexpensive mechanism that is available. Then there is a dearth of qualified insurance arbitrators in the country. This is being brought out further with the amendment in the Arbitration and Conciliation Act in 2019, which is focusing on professionalization of arbitration. There is a provision for Arbitration Council to be set up to issue guidelines and set professional standards. Arbitral institutions are supposed to be designated for appointment of arbitrators by the courts, High Court and Supreme Court, and regulations regarding qualifications, experience, and norms for accreditation of arbitrators by arbitral institutions will come into play. In this background, a 6-month certification course on insurance arbitration is going to definitely open up a host of opportunities for professionals from different fields. Insurance arbitration course opens up opportunities for legal professions to venture into insurance. They can be insurance arbitrators. They can serve as counsel for handling insurance related matters. One, before the insurance arbitral tribunals themselves, or they can handle the appeals against arbitral awards. Then they can also handle cases before courts and consumer fora. Insurance professionals also can be insurance arbitrators because of the training that they would be getting in arbitration. Then other professionals like those in engineering, aviation, shipping, IT, entertainment, medicine, gas exploration, automobiles, etc., who have a significant role to play in insurance, can also be insurance arbitrators, getting the knowledge relating to insurance as well as arbitration. The model fee prescribed in the 4th schedule indicates how remunerative the role of an arbitrator can be. So what are the aspects that would be covered in this 6-month and 300-hour course on insurance arbitration? Through the course, we propose to provide theoretical and practical inputs about the principles and laws of insurance, and these sessions will be handled by experienced insurance professionals. There are several laws which are related to insurance, and the knowledge and skills about these are going to be provided by legal professionals. Then arbitration and conciliation, the theoretical and practical aspects will be provided by experienced arbitrational professionals. In addition to these, whoever is getting enrolled for this course and who successfully complete, they will be provided with continuing education opportunities through participation in seminars, through refresher courses in insurance and arbitration, so that they will be updated about the changes and developments. Then periodic updates on developments in the form of brochures, etc., will also be circulated to the participants. So what are the benefits on completion of this course? On successful completion, the participants will be empaneled as insurance arbitrators with AIIRM, which is a future arbitral institution. They can be arbitrators in insurance dispute resolution. They can be mediators or conciliators in insurance disputes. Their names could be recommended to insurance companies and other authorities requesting for competent insurance arbitrators or mediators. And last but not the least, the enhanced competence and understanding in insurance can be used by the legal professionals to handle insurance related litigation. And now for the admission formalities. The last date for submission of online applications is 25th January. The admissions will be closed on 30th January, and the introductory session to the course will be on 31st January 2021, after which the course will take off. And so, on behalf of ASEAN Institute of Insurance and Risk Management, and on my personal behalf, we welcome you to this 6-month certificate course on insurance arbitration. We look forward to interacting with you all. Thank you.